In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see sales on Redbubble. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you, or whatever browser you have downloaded in your PC. It could be Google Chrome, it could be Opera, Microsoft's Edge, Firefox, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So, whenever you open your browser, just go to this URL section and simply type redbubble.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you to this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Redbubble website. So here you'll have simply to click on login so you can log in into your account if you have an account, and simply enter your email username and then password so you can log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and click on sign up so you can create an account. As you can see, you can create an account as a customer or as an artist. So choose whatever suits you, then simply enter your email, username, and password, and then click on sign up. So once you're logged in or you create your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen of the Redbubble. Here you'll find a lot of products for yourself in this For You page. So as I said at the beginning of this tutorial, would like to see sales, and of course you can view every sale you've ever made in your sales history page under account details. So of course, let's just go to your account at the top right corner, and then you'll have here the order history. That's some things you order, that you sell. As you can see, for me, I have no data because I ordered nothing. So of course, just click on your account again, then click and sell your art. Here for me, as an example, I still didn't even set up my shop and set up my account's bank number, and even I did not add any designs. But for you, if you already set up your account, you will find in the dashboard here the sales history option. If you click on it, you will find every sale that you made, and you will be good to go here in the dashboard. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.